to make use of the Pixellab tools. It's very simple. Once you open the Pixellab, this is what you have. This is your work area. Here, it's actually known as the Cartesian, the plane Cartesian. You just scroll down, click on this last one, and this A comprises of everything you have to do with your type fonts, your test. Yes. So let me show you. If you want to create a test, you just click on that A. All right, let me go there back. Click on this test, edit. Now let's write. This is exactly what I did previously. So let's write graphic design, and now bring it. This is it. This is just the test on the natural font. So we have copy. This can help you copy the font. Now we can delete it also. Now click on this and we can send it to the front and the back, but not now. Position is used to ensure that it can move, depending on the pixel speed at which you want it to be. When you increase this, 20 pixel goes faster, 1 pixel goes very slow, right? That is it. Relative position, you press these two sections to ensure that it's at the middle. This is the middle. Now you can shift it to the edge, shift it to this other edge and take it up. But this is the middle. All right. So size is used to increase the size, okay, of your tests. All right. So that is understood. Moving on, padding is just used to move it and hit. Yeah. Okay. So we have color. Color, we color it orange. Okay. Color black, white, any color. Okay. So there's called gradient. Gradient is used in ensuring that you blend two colors together in a very synonymous manner that it goes perfectly. Okay. So you click this plus right here to ensure you can get it. Now let's blend blue. Okay, here it can be used to darken the blue or anything color you want to make. And let's make use of this color and then make it this way. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So now texture can be used in adding any kind of texture into this text. If you want to put any picture kind of texture inside the text, you just come to texture and do that. And it's very, very simple. Very simple. Okay. So let's add in something. Okay. Something like this. Then crop this and add it. Okay. It's in there. Can increase it. It's in there. It just appeared inwardly. Okay. So we have opacity just to ensure that your design's quality goes low, and you can increase the quality of that text with opacity. You can use it to blend. Rotate 180, yeah, 180, 180, yeah. Okay, so we have marks. Marks can be used to cut through your design. Okay, are you seeing we just marked it and we can't see that area. So if you switch on the marks, you can make use of it in a very simple manner also. Okay, these are all simple things. Now we have the font. Font is very necessary in your design. So we'll have to add a font. So let's just add objectivity bold. Okay, and yes. Now this is it. Okay, and let's make use of objectivity light. Okay, medium is okay too. And then you would come to style. If you want it bold, are you saying it's bold? You want it like to be slant, you can also make use of that, so you can underline it also. Are you saying? Okay, so we are not going to make use of all that now. If you want to switch it off, come to style again, switch it off. Yeah. And now we have curve. Curve can be used to, curve everything. Now we have background. You can change this background of this, to give you this kind of background touch. Yeah. Okay. You can use that, give it a background. So, okay. All right. I hope you understood. Okay. So we have this align. You can align it to be to make sure your text is from the left to the right or centralized, justified. You switch on justified. That is when we have a lot of text written all out. Okay. So what else? Spacing. Spacing is used to create gap in between every letter or either a word. So if you use, are you saying this? Okay, you can see this, all right? And if you're increasing it, you're increasing the spacing of it. And the words now the thing creates a space in between the words, in between them. All right, okay, that's perfect. We have stroke. We can switch on stroke, change the stroke to be any color you want it to be. All right, so you can increase the stroke size. All right, and we have shadow. Shadow is very nice if you want to make a light shadow. All right, so we have the 3D shade or shadow. It's not that necessary. We have reflection. We also have 3D. So to ensure your text is 3D, you can make use of this. Okay, it is 3D now, all right? So you can rotate it at any point to how you want it to be. Yeah, you can. That is all. Now 3D rotates, okay? Yeah. Okay, so this is used to ensure that you align your design. That the design is not meant to be at reach this edge. You must stop here and put your grid. This gives you this guideline. You know, your book have a margin. You don't write on that margin. Okay. So this design has a margin also. So you don't write on this margin. You don't design on this area. This area, you see my pointer go through this edge, this edge. This is where you design. Okay. So here is known as your layer. Okay. This is known as your layer. And here is used to bring in stickers, import. Import is used to bring in any image you want, any PNG you want, any image you want into your work area. So let's bring in something. Okay, let's bring in someone. Yeah, this lady. And crop this area that had that same lady, okay? So this is her in. When you increase, please duplicate to ensure that the image does not drop its quality, please. And so, yeah. So now, here is known as the layer where you have everything. You can take this, are you saying, the text to the front, and you can take it to the back. All right. You're holding this area, holding this end. Okay. So here is used to zoom in. If you zoom in and you want to work, you would not be able to until you switch off this zoom tool. Switch it off. That will enable you work or design. So we have the shape tool. You come here, you can create any shape you like by clicking this place, and you can change the color of that shape. All right, and increase it holding here, and then okay, send it to the back. Do you see what I'm doing now? So now that can increase. We can have to, change the color of the shape, position the shape using any of this move positioning. And yeah, we can also increase the opacity of the shape. If you don't want it to be that bright, yeah. Okay, you can also erase some part of the shape using this tool. Okay, and if you come out, that is what you see. So very, very, very necessary. All right. Okay, we can also mask the shape. If you switch on these marks, you just mark the shape, okay? Yeah, something like that. That is all we have. Okay, so if you come here, if you click this lock, is used to lock to prevent the woman from moving. Now we can move her, only the shape can move. All right, so that is necessary to ensure that you don't have everything open and it's difficult for you to move any object. All right, so now we've locked this moon shape and we can't move it again. So that helps you work properly. All right, now we will not lock it anymore. We just open it. And then, yeah, that is actually most of the things that has to do with Pixel. We have the brazier. This will be taught on specifically, but these are the basic things you need to know about the tools. If you want to save, click on this save here, save as project to ensure that it is saved on your on your Pixellab, you come to this area and click on my project. You would see that project. This is it. Okay, click on it. It's here. So if you open your Pixellab, you can access that file and edit or add on to it. Click here to save as image. Okay, and then Ultra save as image. I already have it, so no need. So if you want to auto re auto save, okay, you go back to the beginning. All right, thank you. That's all we have for the tools. The more you work on it, the more you master the tools. Okay.